All right, so we're gonna unfold all of these pieces. And so what we have to do first is go through every one of them. Click on the component that you want to start with. Make sure you're in the sheet metal tab, modify, unfold, okay? Then we have to go over to solid, click on create, boundary fill, highlight the component, click it. Now we have to select the cells, create new component, hit OK. This will be the first component, right? Go back to sheet metal, refold the faces, otherwise it'll complain later. Then we're going to go on to the second component. We're just going to repeat this process 3 times, right? So back up to sheet metal. We're going to go to modify. Sheet metal, modify. Sorry about that. Unfold. Unfold all bins, select component. Go back to solid, boundary fill, highlight the component, select the cells, not remove tools, hit OK, or new component, hit OK. Back to sheet metal, refold. And we're going to go on to the third component. Highlight that, go to sheet metal, modify, unfold. Click on the surface that you want stationary. Make sure all the bins are highlighted. Go back to solid, create, boundary fill, select the component, select the cells, create that into a new component. There. Okay. Now, what I want to do here actually is go back, first refold the faces. I want to go back and there's two pieces on each one. So we want to hide the bodies. That's right. I said hide the bodies. And those are the ones, the components that have the bins in them. So let's hide those. All right. And then what we have to do is go up here and get everything visible. Go to modify, go to arrange, and then we're going to select each component. Sorry, my mouse is kind of giving me problems here. I'm also fairly new to Fusion, so then we're going to go to the envelopes tab, and we need to select a plane. It's kind of hidden down in there, so I have to rotate this thing around. Of course, my mouse is giving me problems right now. We want everything to be on a flat plane because we're going to CNC cut this. And then I have to specify the size here. It's just coming out of a sheet. I'm just going to put 24 by 24. It's not, but if you do have a specific size, that's where you would enter it, hit OK. It shows you that what the nesting is going to look like. Hit OK. And then I'm just going to move these 3 components out of the way, just because it will make the cam process a little less confusing. Bear with me here just a second. All right, this last component here is grounded. I'm gonna have to unground it. I think, yeah, it's moving the flat piece. So I gotta go up here real quick. Unground. Now I can move it. I said, I'm learning Fusion 360 also. Shout out to a guy on Facebook that kind of walked me through how to do this process. It's on the Fusion 360 for beginners page. All right, now I'm doing my setup here in CAM. I don't want all of those, so I'm going to go in there and just select the 3 models that I want, hit OK. And then this could be a whole nother video by itself, but yeah, I have my 2D profile, and I'm just going to select the silhouettes. First, I have to pick the tool, plasma cutter. Select silhouette, just hit OK right here. I have my start and stops already pre-programmed in there. But yeah, just checking that. Now not always, but sometimes I like to run it through the simulator just to see what the cutting operation is going to look like. Make sure my starts and stops are on the right side of the line. It's also just kind of fun to watch. So yeah, that's that. I hope you got value out of this video. And if you do, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll have a lot more videos coming out soon. And yeah, I hope everybody has a good day. Thanks for watching.